Hi guys, in this class day 16 you will learn about the operators in the Python. Day 16 topic is that operators in the Python. First of all, you will learn about what is operator, arithmetic operators, relational operators, assignment operator, logical operator, membership operator, identity operator, bitwise operator, Python operators precedence. So these are different topics outline we will discuss in this a lecture series, a day series. So in the next day we will discuss about a arithmetic operator, and in the next day we will discuss about a relational operator. So when we discuss about the arithmetic operator, you will get two exercise about the arithmetic operator to clear this concept. So we will discuss in the next day relational operator. You will learn about how you can use relation operator in your project, and I will share some example programming example to solve that problem. You will clear that how you can use relational operator. Same like this, I also discuss all these operators in detail, and I also share exercise for these operators. So this is a day 16 in which I will discuss only what is operator in detail, but in the next day we will discuss about these operators in detail with exercise and practical example.